So here I show you how the 180 liter DC fridge is powered by the 296 watt hour portable power generator, portable power station, or solar inverter, or solar generator. Here we have the 180 liter fridge. See, you can see the vapor coming out of it, indicating that the freezer is chilling really well. I'll probably put a bottle of water and then come back and look at how it is. And here's the fridge too. You see the lights are on, and if you look inside, there's a bit of condensation showing that it is chilling perfectly. So in case you're thinking, how far can this be powered? Here's a very good example.